Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're gonna draw an umbrella. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why do you think we're drawing an umbrella today?
Because it's really rainy.
I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's really raining outside right now where we're at. And so we thought it would be fun to draw an umbrella.
Yeah.
And the fun thing about umbrellas is that once we actually draw our umbrella, we can decorate the inside of it whatever way we want.
Yeah.
Okay, so to start with, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a really big upside down U shape like that. Okay, so I'll start on one side and then I'll go
like
all the way down to the other side. It looks like I'm gonna have to fill this in a little bit.
Where did you start again?
I went from left to right, but you can do from right to left, or you can turn it upside down and make a big U shape, whatever is easier for you. Make sure you leave some room on the top too, for the top of the umbrella. Okay, and then we're gonna do some curvy lines, kind of like M shapes, all on the bottom part of the umbrella. Okay, and make sure they're pretty wide, so not little ones, but pretty wide ones, because you'll see what we'll do next. So make a curve, another curve, and just keep making these big wide curves. You go from one side and then connect it to the end of the other one, like that. Great. Okay, and now we're gonna make the bottom part umbrella, or the handle. So for that, we're gonna draw a line that's gonna go down. And then when it goes down here, it curves up. So it's like a J, long letter J. So go down and then curve up to the left, okay? And then what we'll do is we'll make another line that's gonna follow the same path and go up to there. So we'll start right here and we'll go all the way down and curve up. And when you curve up, you make like a loop to connect them. Yep, and then loop to connect. Beautiful. Okay. And now let's make the top of our umbrella. So for that, we're gonna make like a curve that goes up like that. And let's make two more curves actually. Let's make one that's on the left and one on the right. So another curve that's like on the left side and another loopy curve on the right. Beautiful. And now what we'll do is we're gonna actually start connecting. We're gonna start from the center and curve down and connect it to these points, the very bottom points of these curves. So watch, you're gonna start from the top and curve.
I'm gonna start from the bottom.
Down, or you can start from the bottom if that's easier for you. And then you're just gonna curve down and follow the path. Yep, yeah, exactly. It might be easier, yeah, to start from the bottom going up. I'm gonna start from the top going down. So see how I'm connecting these bottom parts? And so if you're gonna start from the left to the right, you're gonna make the curves that go, towards the left. But once you get to the center, then you wanna start curving towards the right. You're just gonna basically follow the curve shape of the umbrella. So again, I'm starting from the center, going down. And again, from the center, going down. There we go. And you know what? That's our umbrella. Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
And at this point, you can color your umbrella in, or you can make different types of pictures and patterns inside of your umbrella. So you can draw flowers, you can do zigzags, whatever you want. You can go as crazy as you like. That's the fun thing about umbrellas.
Yeah.
You can decorate them. What I'm gonna do with my umbrella is let's draw some polka dots.
Yeah.
Polka dots are fun. They're just circles. I'm gonna draw different kind of circle shapes. I'm gonna make big ones, little ones. So I'm just gonna make different circles. Some of them are gonna be bigger. Some of them are gonna be smaller. And just draw them all over, here, there, everywhere. I think that's it. I mean, you can draw some raindrops outside of the umbrella. You can draw a person holding the umbrella, whatever you want, have fun with this. At this point, I think we're ready to color ours in.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna speed up the video, color ours in. You can do the same with yours, and then come back and see how we did when we're done. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, here are our colored in umbrellas. Let's show yours a little bit close up, Lila. What did you do here? You did something interesting with your umbrella colors.
I did it rainbow colors.
Rainbow colors.
And I had a little bit of pink and brown.
That is so cute. I love that. So what are so there's usually a pattern to rainbows, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's red, orange,
Yellow, green, blue, purple.
purple. So thank you for doing this drawing exercise with us. We really hope you enjoyed it. And we would also love to see how your drawing turned out. So please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please check out our other videos and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.